What are the conditions of people who visit a lawyer for brain injury? Attorney Stewart Casper says, brain injuries are scary, and we see all types of cases. I receive calls that someone has suffered a traumatic brain injury and is in a coma at one of the hospitals. I have had occasions in which I have been called to hospitals to meet family members of an injured person in the waiting room outside the intensive care unit to give them advice about what to do. I have received calls from family members about someone who has been in a motor vehicle accident and has already received acute hospital care and has been transferred to a rehabilitation hospital. I see people who are absolutely petrified that they are not going to get better. I see people who cannot efficiently function in activities of daily living, or in their occupation, or in school. And I feel the variety of questions about what to do about continuation of school and the availability of support services, including tutors and protections available at work. There is an almost endless list of obstacles for people who have suffered brain injuries, so it is difficult to provide a thorough response to the question. The issues will vary depending upon the age, economic status, the scope of the consequences of the brain injury, physical, emotional, cognitive, and behavioral injuries, and the intra-day family dynamics. I also get frequent calls from people who are already represented by lawyers who may not have the knowledge and background to provide adequate representation for the nature of the injuries involved. Clients should understand that they have the right to switch lawyers at virtually any time following the beginning of representation. Clients are better off retaining competent counsel from the outset, but in certain circumstances, a claim can be salvaged, and the Bar Association has established a method for resolving a division of attorney's fees. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Stewart Casper in Stamford, Connecticut at 203-325-8600 or visit him on the web at www.casperdetoledo.com.